Imagine standing at the base of a mountain, staring at the peak shrouded in clouds. For many, the idea of financial freedom feels exactly like that mountain, impossible to climb, especially when money is tight. But the Japanese have a secret. The journey to financial independence doesn't start with giant leaps. It starts with tiny, consistent steps. From saving a few yen a day to making small, deliberate spending choices, these micro-actions compound into remarkable results over time. Think of it as planting seeds. You might not see a tree tomorrow, but with patience, your forest grows. Consider the story of Keiko, a young office worker in Tokyo. Every day, she saved 100 yen from her lunch money and invested in small, low-risk funds. At first, the progress seemed invisible, almost discouraging. But a decade later, those tiny savings blossomed into a nest egg she could rely on. The lesson here is profound. Financial freedom isn't about the money you start with, it's about your consistency, key, discipline, and patience. Even if you feel broke today, your small choices can change your life in ways you never imagined. In Japan, frugality isn't about deprivation, it's about intentional living. Many Japanese families find happiness not in owning more, but in appreciating what they have. Imagine savoring a cup of green tea slowly, feeling content with your space, your meals, and your possessions. It's this mindful approach to spending that frees up money for investing, personal growth, and dreams that matter. Frugality becomes a superpower. It's not about cutting fun, it's about prioritizing what truly enriches your life. Take the story of Hiroshi, who once struggled with debt and impulsive spending. He began tracking every yen, learning to distinguish between fleeting wants and meaningful purchases. Slowly, he reduced unnecessary expenses, while still enjoying life. Within a few years, Hiroshi had built an emergency fund, started investing, and felt calmer than ever before. The truth is, financial freedom isn't about earning more, it's about spending wisely. By embracing mindful simplicity, you give yourself control over your money and your future. It's a gentle reminder that joy doesn't come from excess, but from freedom and security. Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, can revolutionize your financial life. It's about asking yourself each day, how can I be just 1% better today than yesterday? This mindset removes the pressure of overnight success and replaces it with steady, unstoppable progress. Even small adjustments in budgeting, investing, or skill building accumulate over time into life-changing results. Financial freedom isn't a race, it's a journey of small, deliberate improvements. Take ICO's story. She was stuck in a low-paying job, overwhelmed with debt, and doubted her potential. Instead of drastic, unsustainable changes, she applied Kaizen. Every week, she improved one financial habit, learning to cook to save money, automating savings, or reading about investments. These tiny steps compounded into confidence and financial stability. After a few years, Aiko didn't just reduce debt, she created opportunities for side projects and investments that grew into real wealth. The lesson? Start small, keep improving, and trust the process. Your financial freedom is built day by day, choice by choice. In Japan, investing isn't seen as gambling, it's an art. The key is patience and research, not chasing instant returns. Even with limited resources, the mindset of make your money work for you can transform your financial reality. By understanding the power of compounding and the value of consistent low-risk investments, you create a foundation that grows quietly, steadily, and reliably. This approach protects you from reckless decisions and teaches long-term thinking. Take the story of Kenji, a college graduate who had almost nothing saved. He started with tiny investments in index funds, reading about market trends and learning slowly. At first, progress was almost invisible, but over 10 years, his portfolio multiplied, turning small. Consistent actions into life-changing wealth. Kenji's secret. He treated investing like a habit, not a shortcut. The emotional lesson here is powerful. Financial freedom doesn't require you to be rich. It requires you to be patient, disciplined, and willing to learn. Even a small beginning can blossom into abundance. Relying on a single source of income is risky, especially in an unpredictable world. The Japanese approach to financial resilience includes creating multiple streams of income, whether through side businesses, freelance work, or investments. Each stream strengthens your financial foundation and reduces dependence on a single paycheck. This isn't just about money, it's about reclaiming your time, freedom, and peace of mind. Take the story of Yumi, a single mother in Osaka. She started a small online shop while working full-time. Every extra yen she earned was reinvested, and gradually, she expanded her income streams with freelance consulting and smart investments. Years later, Yumi had enough freedom to work on her own terms, travel, and save for her children's future. The takeaway is clear. Financial freedom grows when you diversify your income. Even if you start small, the combination of multiple streams builds security, opportunity, and independence, giving you control over your life and dreams. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers, it's about living a life of purpose and gratitude. The Japanese understand that wealth without meaning is hollow. Align your finances with your values, dreams, and the people you care about. When money serves your life, rather than controls it, every purchase, every investment, and every saving feels intentional. Gratitude fuels contentment, and contentment fuels freedom. Take the story of Satoshi, a man who achieved financial independence through careful planning and disciplined habits. Yet, he realized that the true joy wasn't in the numbers, it was in sharing experiences, helping family, and pursuing passions. By giving back, practicing gratitude, and living intentionally, Satoshi felt a deeper sense of wealth than money alone could provide. The emotional insight is profound. Financial freedom is not just about escaping debt or earning more, it's about designing a life where your time, energy, and money align with your purpose. Start today, even if you feel broke. Every intentional step brings you closer to a life that feels truly free.